Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a stitch called Clover Lattice. This uses a combination of shells and DC cluster, which gives a clover-like stitch pattern in the stitch, and this uses a multiple of 8 plus 2 as foundation chains. To make this swatch, I used my Siamese green hobby store 100% anti-pill acrylic premium acrylic Aran yarn with medium weight 4 and color 2020. I shall make the required number of chains with this yarn and get back to you for demonstration. I have made 26 chains, 3 multiples of 8 plus 2, 26 chains. To begin with, make a single crochet in the second chain from the hook, chain 4, skip 3, 1, 2 and 3 and make a 4 DC cluster here. Chain 4, skip next three chains and place a single crochet. So repeat the stitch pattern, chain 4, skip 3, 4 DC cluster in the next, chain 4, skip 3 SC in the next. I shall meet you at the end of row 1. We've come to the end of row 1, so skip the next 3 stitches and place in a single crochet in the very last chain here. Row 1 is not a pattern repeat row. For row 2, chain 3 and turn, which counts as a DC. Otherwise, turn and make a twisted double crochet here in the very first single crochet. And 2 more DCs in the same stitch. Chain 2, single crochet over the DC cluster, on top of the DC cluster, chain 2, and on SC make 3 DC plus 3 DC, totally 6 DCs. Chain 2, single crochet on the 4 DC cluster, chain 2, again 6 DCs, chain 2, single crochet, chain 2 and 3 DCs on the last stitch. Complete row 2. I shall also complete and get back. For row 3, either chain 7 and turn, that is DC plus 4 chains, or turn, make a twisted DC here, chain 4, on the single crochet make a single crochet, chain 1, single crochet, chain 4, place a 4 DC cluster between the third and the fourth DC of 6 DC, in between them. You're not working on the stitch, you're working between the 2 DCs here. So this is what gives a clover-like look. Chain 4, again repeat, SC, chain 1 SC on SC, chain 4, place the 4 DC cluster, chain 4, continue the stitch pattern till the end. Place a DC on the last DC. I have completed with SC, chain 1 SC and SC, chain 4, and then place a DC on the last. For row 4, chain 1 and turn, SC on DC, chain 2, so 6 DCs under the chain 1 space of SC, chain 1 SC here. Chain 2 and a single crochet on top of the 4 DC cluster. Repeat this pattern, chain 2, 6 DC under SC, chain 2, single crochet on cluster, continue till the end. I shall meet you at the end of this row. I have placed my last DC shell here, so chain 2 and place a single crochet in the very last stitch. For row 5, chain 1 and turn, single crochet on single crochet, chain 4. So 4 DC cluster between the 3rd and the 4th DC of 6 DC shell. Chain 2, 3, 4 and place a single crochet, chain 1, single crochet on SC, again chain 4, four DC cluster between the 3rd and the 4th DC of 6 DC, chain 4, SC, chain 1 SC in the, on SC, continue the stitch pattern for this row till the end. I've come to the end of the row here. I've made my last cluster, 4 DC cluster, chain 4 and then place a single crochet on the very last stitch here. So we have made rows 2, 3, 4 and 5. These are the pattern repeat rows. Repeat rows 2, 3, 4, 5 to the desired length for your fabric or the project. So this is how it looks with more number of repeats. This is a one pattern repeat, rows 2 to 5. Thank you friends for watching this video. Do subscribe to Magic Needles channel and do not forget to hit on the bell icon so that you are notified of the videos that we upload every day. Please like and share too. Thank you friends. Have a great day. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video. Bye for now.